My address at this prestigious academy takes place in the backdrop of monumental global developments that are affecting our lives in ways unimaginable before. Today, with Allah's blessings, Pakistan stands proud as a peacemaker in the Committee of Nations. Pakistan's sincere mediation efforts with the support of brotherly and friendly countries led to the historic signing of the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding between the United States and the Islamic Republic of Iran, which I also had the honor of signing as mediator. I pay special tribute to Chief of Defence Forces and Chief of the Army Staff, Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir, for his untiring efforts, spending day and night and leaving no stone unturned to bring all parties together to follow the path of peace and tranquility. The recent visit of President Dr. Masood Pezeshkian of Iran to Pakistan was not only a manifestation of the strong brotherly ties between Pakistan and Iran, but also an acknowledgement of Pakistan's important role to promote peace in the region. Dear officers, the evolving regional situation has highlighted more than anything else the importance of maritime security for the global economy and international supply chains. Today, the right of free passage and freedom of navigation are no longer luxuries, but have become an absolute necessity for the entire world.